The story is about the peacock and the crane. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful peacock in the woods. The peacock was very proud of its beauty. It would always flaunt its beautiful, colorful, shiny feathers and make fun of other birds. One day, the peacock went to the riverside for some water when he suddenly saw a strange but a beautiful bird. Peacock? Who is that? A long neck and cool legs? Let me start a conversation with this strange bird, thought the peacock to himself. Hi, how are you? I have never seen you around, he said to the strange bird. To this, the bird replied, I am a crane. The peacock introduced himself to the crane and starts to show off. I am a peacock. I have feathers that are shiny and gorgeous. I look so majestic. The crane immediately understood what the peacock was trying to do. Alright, they look good, said the crane, and she walked along the river. What a colorless bird you are! Your feathers look grey and dusty. Look at my gorgeous feathers, robed in the glory of the rainbow. Yes, you are beautiful, but I don't envy you at all, said the crane. What? Don't lie. How could you not envy these beautiful feathers? Asked the peacock surprisingly. I can fly up in the sky with my wings. I travel around the world and go wherever I want, said the crane happily. What can you do with those feathers? Grooming and showing off? Huh, what else can you do? Fine feathers alone don't make fine birds, said the crane and soared up into the blue sky. The peacock felt ashamed that he folded his feathers and kept quiet. So children, the moral of the peacock and the crane story is, it is better to be useful than to be beautiful. Also, never be proud of yourself. One should be humble always.